Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to do a little simple change of the toilet seat here, so follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is a quick release toilet seat. So it comes right off. There's a little straight blade screwdriver that we need for this. Take the second little stud off. Okay, we're going to give this a little wipe. Now we've got the new toilet seat right here. We're going to put these two little pieces together. Drop this through the first one. Not sure why this is not. Oh, I see. It slips in from the back. We'll do the other one a little bit. There we go. If you take a look here, it slips in right from the back. I'm going to drop those through. There's two little plastic nuts. Interesting thing about this is when you tighten it up enough, the top part of this nut will actually break off. Let me put them on finger tight. Now I'm going to put the second one on. Now we have a small little monkey wrench or crescent wrench, and I'm going to give it a snug, and when that little plastic nut breaks off, it will be tight enough. I'm going to adjust the toilet seat to make sure it's fitting properly before I tighten it. Right about there. And that's the little nut that breaks off when it's tight enough. If you like this little simple video about how to change the toilet seat and you had a little bit of fun, press like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. That's a check in the win box.